Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but the crew, the whole family, we are back together.
We're here.
Chris, Mike, Moose. It is another Soul Status quick hitter. It's getting nice outside. The leaves are coming back. Foliage is in the building. And today we are talking about a very special shoe. Maybe you were lucky enough to get your hands on a pair already. If not, they are going up.
Yes.
They're doing the opposite of what Dogecoin is doing right now. The A Ma Maniere 3. This is a super dope shoe.
Really cool.
Moose, what do you think?
I'm really a fan of the shoe. They're just everything from like the really earthy tones, these cream notes. The leather's really nice.
I was going to call them aged.
They kind of do look aged.
It's a little pre-aged.
Yeah,
It does look a little pre-aged. The Nike Air on the back, everybody's a fan of that.
Always.
We also have this this raw leather edging around the edge of the leather, like it's not dyed, so it has this kind of brown look to it. I really dig that. The suede's really high quality. You also have this pattern here on the inside of the shoe that kind of reminds me of like a Bentley seat or something. Like it has that cross, that diamond stitching.
Or like the inside of a starter jacket.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, an old starter jacket. Some of the notes that people you have to really see the shoe in hand to appreciate are going to be the A here on the tongue. That's got this really nice thick embroider on it. And then also right here on the lace tips.
Ooh,
one of my
yeah.
favorite features.
Yeah, I like that.
One of the lace tips says work and the other one says harder. You know I work pretty hard, so I can appreciate that. This is definitely my favorite 3 to come out in quite a long time. Oh yeah.
All we have is each other. Right here on the back heel. I knew there was something. I know other people were looking at the shoe and like pointing out all the differences and things like that. I heard they're gonna re-release them. Is that true?
Someone still has some in-store releases. I think it's Foot Locker or Champs. One of the
stores.
Yeah.
A handful of stores,
Correct.
like big
LA,
cities,
New York,
Chicago, yeah.
Like there's just a color, like the colors that they chose. That off-white color with the purple, and then
that gray.
the gray with the white, and I'm just so articulate, so cool. I think this is probably going to be one of the best shoes. This is going to be up there on the list of shoes of the year.
Yeah, I think it's a really dope shoe. The added thing, women's extended sizing release. It was for the ladies, but dudes everywhere are trying to cop.
This thing stunk when you opened it up from the leathers that they use and the colors and the dye. Like, don't let it, don't be scared when you see it. But I mean, probably best quality shoe, like Moose was talking about. Moose really summed it up great. Chris, what are your thoughts?
I like it. I like the leather materials, that kind of pebbled leather that they have on the 3s. The leather is thick.
It is. It's
everywhere. It's thick everywhere. So I think it's a super dope shoe. I think it's like kind of what we all said, shoe of the year kind of candidate.
Yeah.
I like how subtle it is. I like some loud shoes every now and again, but something like this,
It's not loud at all.
right?
I think you can walk by and people don't know what it is.
Correct. I like that too.
Yeah.
So,
subtle flex.
Super dope shoe. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments. Were you lucky enough to score yourself a pair? I mean, they're already sitting at the time of this recording over $500 in the resale market. So if you missed them, it's gonna cost you a little bit. So let us know down in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. As always, hit the bell icon to get notified when these videos goes live. And we'll catch you on the next one.
See you guys.
Peace.